Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. What do you do when one of your joists is up a little bit, maybe it has a belly or is a little uneven? How do you get that smooth and level? I'll give you a little tip here. I'm not saying this is the best or only way. I'm just saying these are the tools I had on hand. You can use this principle for whatever. So basically, what I needed to do was sand that down, except just using sandpaper takes forever. So I took my Sawzall and just roughed up the wood pretty good. Then I took a sander. This is a palm sander, which I always have with me with like a 60 grit, maybe 40 grit sandpaper. And since that wood was roughed up, this sandpaper worked like 3 times quicker than if I were to just sit there and try to use sandpaper by itself. So rough it up, then sand it down. You could do the same thing with a planer. That would work well. A belt sander would have worked a lot better than a palm sander, but this is just a little shortcut that I picked up, and it gave all of these joists a nice even finish so that when the decking laid down on top of it all, it didn't have a little belly. So there you go. That's at least one way to do it. Comment down below if you have other tips or tricks on ways to level out some joists, and I'd love to read through those. Let's build this community together. Click the subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.